Alright folks, today I'm gonna show you how to make these awesome looking, I call them HASSELBACK PIZZATOES. You have to stay tuned. You know what that means? It's time to grill! I like side dishes that steal the show from the main course. And if you're into this as well, you're pretty right here. So, some of you might have seen my video about basic HASSELBACK potatoes some weeks ago. If not, I will put a link into the end card of the video so you can check this video out as well. So here's what we do. This is step number 2. Instead of using simple potatoes, we use sweet potatoes. That's the first thing. The hack about the recipe comes from the wooden spoons. So you take 2 wooden spoons, because HASSELBACK comes from a Swedish restaurant in Hasselbacken, and that's their idea to cut the potatoes like so. And if you want to have the right looking and the right technique, you don't have to cut them into pieces. So it's the hack with the wooden spoons. You just take your hand and with your pinky and your thumb and the rest of your hand, you can fix the wooden spoon and fix the potato, and you just cut. I like to cut as thin as possible through your potato without cutting it into several pieces. So that's the way we are looking for. And now we're gonna oil these with olive oil. So this is a tool from Broil King I have. It adds the olive oil and it's easy. Of course you can use just a simple brush for that or whatever. So just oil it up, and then we're gonna throw this one on indirect heat on our grill, approximately 180 degrees Celsius, 380 degrees Fahrenheit or so, for 20 minutes. And they are almost done right now. So this is how they look like. Almost good enough to eat. And we're gonna set them into a aluminium pan. Of course you can use any other pan you like if you're not into aluminium on your grill. Just something that makes it easier to take it on the grill now, because we're gonna top this one like pizza now. So this is my tomato puree. I used canned tomatoes that have garlic already in there, so you don't need to add much more thing. And just top your sweet HASSELBACK potato with that puree. And then we're gonna add some Terrano Meersalz, my own salt mixture. Dried oregano, dried olives, dried tomatoes and salt. So if you're not able to get this outside Europe, you just take your own mixture with dried oregano and stuff like that. So then we're gonna top this one with cheese to have the original pizza flavor here. And it's all, I feel a little bit ashamed because this one is so easy, but it's so delicious. You have to check this out. That's one of the easiest way of showing your guests how great side dishes can work. And of course this one is perfect for vegetarians as well. So if you have vegetarian guests, and yeah, it's not a shame again to have vegetarian guests. I have plenty of them and they always love ideas like that. So here's how they look like. I like the color. Can you see that? That's awesome. So after several minutes, until your cheese is golden brown and has melted a little bit, you're ready to serve these really great looking HASSELBACK PIZZATOES. So if you like this recipe, if you are into PIZZATOES, please hit that like button, thumbs up, comment and subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, while clicking on the 0815 barbecue logo on the left part of your screen. I'm giving this a shot right now. Thanks for watching. We're seeing us again. I'm out. See you.